Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you a great idea. Now what we see this, and you watch several of my videos for you that actually follow us and hit like and subscribe and to get our videos. So when we got these downspouts, they come out here and they drain, and then a lot of times we'll see them drain right on the sidewalks, patios, driveways. Well, they become a slick spot when it frees up. Where we're in the Midwest and the northern states, this is a problem. But look what they've done here. This is a great idea. They put it and they dump it right into this grate, and inside of here, then it's got a drain tile that runs right on out here and daylights out actually on the other side of this retaining wall. See, what a great idea. Somebody was just thinking out ahead of time, and that's what I want to see. And this is what you need to see, because actually, if indeed you don't have something like that and that water's draining right there, when it freezes and thaws, when people trip and fall, and they do, then I get hired to come out there and you got a lawsuit. So just something like this, especially when you're building brand new, think out ahead. This is how you fix it. Simple fix. Great idea. I'm glad to see it. Well, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. We'd love to have your support. Galloway Building Services. You find out why we are the highest rated reviewed company in the Midwest, and why we're here to make sure you're getting what you paid for, the job is done right, and you're not getting ripped off. And I have to say, great job, folks. Good looking work.